So, as you probably know, an advantage to our program is the diversity of opportunities to explore engineering and craft a unique career pathway. So I'd like to hear from all of our panelists about their journey through our program. And we'll go through the order in which they were introduced. So we'll start off with Lindsay, then transition to Elizabeth, Rachel, Jojo, and then Andrea. So could you please describe your professional interests journey?
Sure. So, hi everyone, I'm Lindsay. I actually started off at JMU as a physics major, and just after speaking to some students in my math and sciences classes, kind of got the idea that I would like engineering better. So I switched my major and kind of liked bits and pieces of everything, since our curriculum goes through all types of different engineering disciplines. And I ended up starting to like mechanical engineering the best. And then junior year, we choose our 2-year-long capstone project to work on, and I decided to go with the one that I thought would challenge me the most and something that I didn't know anything about. So I chose the project that works on building a fuel-efficient car prototype, and ever since then, I started falling in love with cars and started getting more involved in automotive things, and became the president of the Society of Automotive Engineers at JMU, and just worked closely with my advisors, and I just got more and more interested in that, and then ended up getting a job with GM. So it's my niche, but it was awesome.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth. My journey kind of started when I was younger. When I was in 5th grade, my parents decided to, instead of moving into a bigger house, we just took off the roof of our house and put a second story on. It kind of got me interested in building things and whatnot. Through high school, I took a lot of tech classes, working in the wood shop, doing technical drawings, which then led me to look at JMU for college. My field hockey coach went to school there, and so I went and looked and found out more about their engineering program, and really fell in love with it, because at that point I wasn't really quite sure what I wanted to do in engineering, but I knew with the general engineering curriculum I could kind of make it what I wanted to. As I started to get more and more into my major classes, I realized I really liked material science, which led me to getting a geology minor. I interned with a material supply company, which was a really awesome opportunity to be able to see work in a quarry. And then it led me to more research opportunities on campus, working with concrete in our infrastructure lab. And it kind of led me towards construction, and how I'm really interested in buildings and stuff like that. So I am now going to be a project engineer, and that's kind of where it led me to.
Hi, everybody. I'm Jojo. I have had background in doing STEM-related extracurriculars and a lot of project-based learning. And growing up, I was really interested in biology and doing a career that helps people, but I wasn't very good at biology, but I was good at math and science. So I was really lost going into college, but I figured my dad's an engineer, my whole family has a background in it, so it might be something that I might be good at. I somehow got put onto the JMU program, and because it was all project-based learning and I really was quite clueless about what I wanted to do, I figured that would be the best opportunity for me to explore all different types of engineering. Going into college, I thought I wanted to do aerospace engineering or some sort of mechanical engineering. And then I took the required courses in that, found out it was not going to be for me. So I kept plugging along the program, still feeling quite a bit lost up until I was a junior in the JMU program. And at that point, you choose what your capstone is. So I remembered how much I enjoyed biology and the connections that it has or could potentially have with engineering. So I ended up choosing a capstone that involved working with a biology professor and doing product design and some of the things that I knew that I enjoyed through the program. And through that, I also fell in love with the material science aspect. I worked with Elizabeth in the concrete lab, and I thoroughly enjoyed all the materials aspects, but not quite the same construction things that she does. But from all that, I realized that for me to continue on in my path, I need to focus more in the biomedical engineering side, which is why I've decided to continue my education so I can really hone in on what biomedical engineering is and where I can go from there.